Hello friends, it is Akash Jenkar here from channel TUTX. I am gonna show you how to write your first program in C. You have watched I assume you have watched my previous video to how to install the IDE code blocks in order to work with our compiling process. Yeah, it is pretty basic and pretty good IDE, so we're gonna work with that. I recommend you to watch my previous tutorial or how to, or if you can just download it and install it. So we will get started with our first C program. So the C program basically in try to include the preprocessor files just like the header files, which include the definition of the function we are going to use in our program. So don't think that much, just press hash and include. The include is a function which will include the files, header files. Just follow along, you will get what is it. So we will import the file, we will include the file which is called as stdio.h, and it is always written in these brackets. After that, okay, I won't try to confuse you, I will just write the void main. I will try to extend everything in the process, just follow along. So okay, we have included the file which is called as stdio.h. The stdio stands for the standard input output header file. H stands for the header file. Includes function includes this header file in order to initialize our functions, in order to define, in order to give the definitions for our function which we are going to use in our program. Okay, the hash is the preprocessor directive or something like that. So we're gonna use the first function which is written in stdio.h header file, which is called as printf function. The printf function is self-explanatory, as you can see the print explain that we have to print something somewhere, just like you print the page from your printer, it is gonna print the message on your screen. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna write the printf and put the parenthesis after that, and we're gonna write whatever we want to display in our screen within two brackets. So I will write it is my first C program. After that, like all the languages, most of the languages, we have to put the semicolon in order to tell this compiler that my text ends here, that my function ends here. I don't want to write anything after that, so we will put the semicolon. It is done, we don't need to do anything. But if we try to compile it, okay, I will do it. In order to compile it, we have to build it first. So I will click as, and okay, you can save anywhere, it doesn't matter whether you save your program or anything like that. So I will write first dot, yeah, I don't need to put a dot, the save as type is already selected, so I will click on save. So let's see if it runs or not. Oh, yeah, it is my first C program, but as you can see process here return 24. Let's like the message says indicate to continue. I don't want that to appear, it is very creepy, and yeah, I feel very creepy when such things happen. So I will include the file which is called as conio.h. Conio.h includes the definition of the function which is called as getch. The getch function will hold the screen for us until and unless we press any key. So we're gonna build it again and see if that works. Oh, okay, I didn't save it. I will save, and oh, what's happening? I think I'm gonna, yeah, it is the correct option. Yeah, okay, as you can see I have compiled and built my program, but it didn't show that kind of error until and unless I press any kind of thing. So I'm gonna press enter here. Oh, yeah, the process return 13 execution time. So this kind of error will appear. It is not that kind of error, but it does appear whenever you try to execute your program. So getch function will try to capture your screen until and unless you press any key. That's the main feature of this function. So thanks for watching, guys. I will explain the scanf and the data types in next tutorial. Please subscribe and try to hang around.